India scripted history in the Tokyo Paralympic Games, winning 19 medals, and the people who were responsible are with me. Some of the gold medalists who have made the country proud in Tokyo. Avni, I've got Krishna Nagar, and I've also got Pramod Bhagat. These three people have made the country proud, winning gold medal in their respective categories. Let's find out what their struggle, their achievement, and what they believe in doing next in the next Paralympic Games and in the future. First and foremost, welcome all three of you for Doordarshan. Avni, start with you. Started with the gold. That probably actually set the tone for the rest of the games. Everybody wanted to follow you.
Thank you so much. It was amazing to be the first women who won a gold medal. But you know, we have these amazing athletes, and there are a lot more to come. And I'm so happy that I've got India as a country. They are so supportive. They so love, and these athletes. If they say that I was their inspiration, it makes me like I did something good. I'm so thankful to you. I'm so happy.
Right. And what about you, Krishna? You were there when you were winning the matches. What was going in your mind?
There is nothing in my mind, and I was thinking about medal, and I want to crack the barrier of semi-final. So I have only one mindset in mind. So I have to win gold, and that national flag of our India is to be going up for me, and national will play. और दोनों बड़े इवेंट्स में मैं सेमीज ही आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरा यही था कि कुछ भी हो फाइनल खेलना है और गोल्ड लेके जाऊँगा इस बार, कुछ भी हो जाए. और जब सेमीज में मुझे ग्रेट ब्रिटेन मिला, वो भी कम मार्जिन पे मैंने उसको दोनों साइड्स मारे थे, तो बहुत खुशी मिली थी उस वक्त पे. तो अच्छा था कि जल्दी गेम ख़त्म कर रहे थे और कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ रहा था. सेमीज़ में जब मिला था तो कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा था, फाइनल तक पहुंचा तब भी कॉन्फिडेंस था अच्छा कि. और फाइनल में चाइना मिला तो वे कि हाँ गेम निकालना है, मेरा यही मोटिव था कैसे भी करके गोल्ड लेना है यहाँ से.
Pramod, when the national flag was going up, what was going in your mind? You were very emotional. I'm very sure when you won that match, you went and hugged your coach. I mean, what was the emotion there?
Actually, I can't explain that movement because I'm so excited because I defeated England, and that is the rivalry for every time you watch in cricket. India, England, they are very to cut to cut. So that is my feeling. I defeat England, and India support me so much, and they have to.
And when the flag was going up, you were very emotional. I'm sure about that. You probably had tears in your eyes.
Yes, definitely, because every athlete want to try to up our national flag to going up and see. So that is my dream, and I fulfill my dream. यही सोच मुझे आज गोल्ड मेडल तक पहुंचाई, क्योंकि सबका होप था कि प्रमोद जाएगा तो गोल्ड ही लाएगा. इवन मुझे भी थोड़ा हिचकिचाहट हुई कि आदमी इतना मुझे में बिलीव कर रहे हैं, कभी कुछ हो ना जाए. बट मैं भी बहुत श्योर था कि डेफिनेटली मैं जो दुनिया की सोच है, दुनिया की जो होप है मेरे पे, मैं उस पर खरा उतरूँगा, और उतरने की कोशिश मैंने पूरा की. और डेफिनेटली जब बोलते हैं ना, अगर आप दिल से कोई चीज़ को चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उससे जुड़ जाती है एक साथ करने के लिए. तो वही सब मेरे साथ हुआ. पूरी दुनिया थी, इवन मैं सेकंड साइड में मैं बहुत फॉल डाउन हो गया था, बहुत पीछे था. बट दुनिया का सपोर्ट और दुनिया का जो होप था और गुड विशेस मुझे जो मिला हुआ था, वही मुझे गेम में कमबैक कराया, और फाइनली मैं गोल्ड लेके अपने देश का झंडा पूरी दुनिया में, जापान में लहरा पाया.
Avni, about you, while you were shooting, you kept your emotions in check, but it was definitely a moment you could see that you were so close, so near, and while you won that and you created a record also at the same time, what was going in your mind at that time?
like I told you, we in shooting we can't show our emotions that much. We have to control them, even if you're happy or you're sad. If there's any bad shot, so I was just reminding myself to, you know, focus on one shot at a time, and just do the process carefully. And I was not thinking about the medal or, you know, to be there on the podium. I was just thinking that I have to take this shot and I have to give this shot my best, and other things will happen automatically. Just focus at this point of time, and everything will come into place.
Okay, Avani, we've always wanted to know what actually happened in Tokyo Paralympics. Suddenly the floodgates were opened. Suddenly everybody was winning. You started the medal rush with winning the gold. What do you believe has changed this time in Paralympics?
There was a lot of support of our government. There was a lot of support from our Honorable Prime Minister, Sports Authority of India, PCI, my coaches, family, everybody. All of the things were in system. They were so coordinated, and they were always motivating us. Even when we went to Paralympics, before that we had a video call meeting with interaction with our Prime Minister, and it was so motivating. And he just said that perform your best. It doesn't matter if you win a medal or not, and that is what kept us going, and we all wanted to perform our best after that.
Krishna, what about you? You also got a call from Prime Minister Pramod. You also got a call from the Prime Minister. What did he say that pushed you guys so much?
When PM sir says, Krishna, I watch your match. So, and that moment I was like, thank you so much, sir, for this. And then after that, Prime Minister says, congratulations, and he says, and best wishes for your future and all. And he just say, when you come India, when we will meet.
Yeah. So that was probably a huge moment for you also, not just winning the medal, but also getting a call from the Prime Minister himself, appreciating you.
Yeah, so much appreciate. And when our country Prime Minister call us for all of us for the best wishes. So it's that moment was we can't describe.
Yeah.
So we are getting emotional. We are just getting talk to him. So we can't describe this moment.
मेरा मानना यही है, जैसे आपने एक सवाल किया था कि मतलब कैसे इतना अचीवमेंट हुआ, तो मैं उस पर एक बोलना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगा, ये मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ। क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, सपोर्ट आप कहीं ना कहीं से ये कर लेंगे, लेकिन जो घर का मुखिया होता है, आप बोले कि रिजल्ट इतना अच्छा क्यों आया, क्योंकि आदमी आप नॉर्मली एक दौड़ते हैं, वो दौड़ते हैं, उसमें आपको कुछ नहीं होता। जब एक मोटिवेशन के साथ दौड़ते हैं तो उसका अलग होता है। जब हम सब जा रहे थे, इवन अवनी, कृष्णा, मैं, हम सब थे, इवन जो मोदी जी का जो इंटरेक्शन हुआ था, सेंड ऑफ का जो सेरेमनी किया गया था, उसमें जो उनका जो वार्तालाप हुआ हम सब से, वो एक बोलते हैं, मैं ज़्यादा मूवी देखता हूँ, केजीएफ का एक मूवी है, इतिहास रचने के लिए सिर्फ एक चिंगारी चाहिए, ना ही वक्त और ना ही जज्बात में आके आप कुछ कर सकते हो। और वो चिंगारी हमें मिली, क्योंकि इवन हम 2016 भी गए थे खेलने के लिए, बट उतना पीएम सपोर्ट टॉप था तभी भी, बट जो पीएम का सपोर्ट था दैट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट। क्योंकि घर में एक अगर एग्जांपल दिया जाए, अगर घर के पापा अगर आपके साथ खड़े हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप मतलब इतिहास ही रचोगे।
You, I'm dead sure you were very, at that time, very emotional when the Prime Minister called you. You won the match. You were anyway a very emotional person, and it was a difficult moment. This Paralympic game, you lost your family, your mother, your parents. Coming from that, pulling yourself from there, not just winning the medal, winning the gold medal, but also getting that call from the Prime Minister. That probably was the icing on the cake for you.
Actually, when I got gold medal, that medal is fast para badminton gold medal.
Yes.
I got fast para badminton because first time Paralympic including Paralympic, and I am the first person to get first gold medal for our para badminton
in the world.
In the world, but for para badminton.
Yes.
So that is so excited, and my dream always I given my something for para badminton community, and my team, my para badminton team is going to off, and I do something for for this. So that is very excited. And when then after that call PM sir to say me something about how my family struggling, and after that I got gold medal. That is for like my parents teach me to, you don't forget your struggle. So that is for me
Huge moment for you.
ह्यूज मोमेंट फॉर वहाँ मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड था, क्योंकि इवन अपनी जो पहली थी उसका गोल्ड मेडल आ चुका था, सुमित का आ चुका था, सबका आ चुका था, और तब मेरे बाद कृष्णा का आया। तो जब बात हुआ तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया मैं क्या बात करूं, क्योंकि इवन हमने ऐसे नॉर्मली बहुत बार बात किया, बट वो टाइम था कि हम इमोशनल में जा रहे थे, और टाइम बट उन्होंने जो बोला हाँ सर, बट बहुत ही अच्छा था जो अपनी बोल रही है, वो हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था कि हम देश के PM से बात कर रहे हैं इवन मेडल लेने के बाद, और हमारा झंडा ऊपर गया, उसके बाद उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारा अप्रिशिएट दिया। तो ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी बात थी, और हर इंडियन एथलीट के लिए, ना पैरा ना एबल, हर इंडियन एथलीट के लिए एक प्राउड का मूवमेंट वो था। वो फ्यू ऑफ मिनट, मुझे लगता है 1 मिनट या 2 मिनट हमारा बात हुआ था, वो मूवमेंट हम मरते दम तक याद रखेंगे, हर एथलीट याद रखेगा, और वो मूवमेंट के लिए एथलीट अपना अचीवमेंट करने के लिए आगे बढ़ते रहेगा।
Avni, we all wanted to know, there is different schemes that are the government of India, so Sports Authority of India have started. One of the main scheme is Top Scheme. All 3 of you have benefited from them. How much was the Top Scheme benefited you, especially in shooting, because all the equipment are quite expensive. So how much that helped you?
Yeah, so I was after I got selected in Top Scheme, they looked after my equipments, my rifle. We need ammunition, pellets with that, and they were always like one call away whenever we wanted something, and they have supported us throughout, and that's what we need as an athlete. That if we had, because we require a lot of it's expensive, so we need a lot of financial support, and being in Top Scheme has helped me to come closer to my medal. So it's very
Interestingly, you never won a gold earlier, but this is your first gold in the and that too in Paralympics.
Yeah. So before that, there was this thing going around my mind that what if I win a silver again? Because then because it is what history can repeat itself. But then, like I told you at that moment, I did not think of any medal. It was just before 1 day before my match, there are a lot of things which were going around my head. But my coach, she told me, it doesn't matter. I will look at you the same way. If you win any medal, you are same to me, and that's what kept me going. And I just gave my 100% that day. I didn't think of any medal, and this is like, I'm so thankful to
show all of us this particular medal. This is the medal which started the gold rush, you can say, the medal rush for the country. Avni, definitely you are an inspiration to a lot of people. We just wanted to know from you how things started for you, this whole journey. How did it start?
After my accident in 2012, I was bedridden, and I was like homeschooled, and I was on, for 2 years I didn't do anything. I started my schooling in 2014, and then in 2015 because I was so reserved and I was so introvert, so my father wanted me to try something, so that I can be more outgoing, I can speak more. So after that, when I started my shooting, it was just a hobby. I went there in summer vacations. It was just a hobby. I didn't think of it like it would change my life like this. But then shooting helped me a lot in gaining my self-confidence, my self-worth, and it kept me motivating. My love for shooting is what kept me motivated to perform good, because because I feel like in the starting it was a lot tough for me for even hold a rifle. But then when I started giving time to it, and slowly it all came into place, and the struggles, it felt like I've learned a lot from them. So I think when you go down, that is the point. When you go up, when you win, it is like, yeah, it is very beautiful. But when you go down, you learn a lot of things. So yeah, it was like an amazing journey.
It is an amazing journey. What about you, Krishna? Your journey, we would like to know how difficult it was for you also.
When I was in school days, and everyone teased me for this, but I already told you, my friends and everyone I'm so lucky. My friends and seniors and family always support me, and friends and all are good, and they always support me in everything, whatever I do. Like and from started I love play sports, and I play so many sports like cricket, football and all, and badminton. Badminton also badminton play only as an like street as a hobby, like in between friends and all. But in 2017 I started badminton. Then between this journey, so many people already told me that you can't do anything in your life. Between in my school days also told me that you can't do anything in your life, and so
now you can show them this medal and say that, see, this is what I have done.
But that word, I don't take it in a negative way. I take this in a positive. So that's why I'm here. I'm talking with all of you and all. हमें हर तरफ से जितनी भी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट, साई, पीसीआई, हर तरफ से बहुत सपोर्ट मिला. जैसे हमारे यहाँ तक कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से भी बहुत सपोर्ट मिला है हमारे को प्रिपरेशन के लिए. हमें जो मतलब सारी फैसिलिटीज़ दी गई हमें, और यही था कि सबका यही था कि हमें मेडल चाहिए, फैसिलिटीज़ अच्छी से अच्छी. हम मेडल्स बहुत बड़ी बात है, और हम सबका यही था कि इसी.
Pramod, what about you? You were world champion. There was a lot of pressure on you to win a medal, especially a gold. Was that a lot of pressure for you, or you just went there with a lot of confidence?
First of all, I never nervous anytime, because you saw my match, and I'm 5-time world champion, and then 2-time Asian Game medalist, and more than 100 I have medal also. So I'm never nervous. I just focused. Abni also say like that. Just we have to control our feelings. Same like that. But I'm express my feelings. Yes. Shootings peoples are control, but different thing about me. When I play, I enjoy my games. Yes. And always feel the game. Yes. How to play, how to stroke, everything, how to movement. Everything I feel, so that I never nervous anytime. But just for I think few movements like Olympic final match, I have little bit I was a little bit nervous, but I'm damn sure I got medal.
And the emotion was there for everybody to see.
Yeah, that's. But
well, appreciate you all of your time. So that was the gold medal winners from the Tokyo Paralympic Games, and their emotions, their journey has been told through us. We hope you like it. This is me signing off, but do keep watching Doordarshan for lots more coming up on the other side. Thank you.